Hey guys, it's Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy and welcome to my Pizza Money review. In this video, I'll be giving you a full breakdown of what's inside the system, and I'll talk a little bit about the purpose of the system and who it's right for. I'll also be showing you my custom bonuses that I know you guys will be interested in if you choose to pick up the Pizza Money system through my link in the description. So let me just show you some of the custom bonuses you will receive if you decide to pick up the system through the link in the description. So my thought process when creating these bonuses for you was to give you something that you will actually be able to benefit from with the Pizza Money system. Normally marketers would just throw in random things to sweeten the deal, but with my bonuses I believe it will give you that edge to really make a difference to your results within the system, as well as becoming a well-rounded marketer. So the first bonus you will receive if you decide to join the Pizza Money system through my link is the Bing Ads Mastery Training. In this step-by-step training you will learn how to effectively use Bing advertising in order to generate thousands of dollars in returns. It will show you a simple, actionable blueprint that you can take and run with right away. This is great as you can use the skills learned in the training to quickly scale your SMS marketing business and find new clients. The next two bonuses are Instagram Marketing Made Simple and FB Ninja, are both similar to the first, in which it will teach you different advertising techniques for Facebook and Instagram. Next we have the 5-figure freedom bonus, which is a complete course which will break down a type of advertising called solo ads. You will learn the importance of and how to build and monetize your own email list of customers and clients. And finally, the last bonus will be 30 days of messenger mentoring with myself, so you'll be able to pick my brains about anything to do with marketing, paid ads, and even questions relating to the Pizza Money system itself. So when you purchase the Pizza Money system through the link in the description below this video, you will also get all of these exclusive bonuses automatically at the checkout. So the Pizza Money system is a documentary style training guide that gives you step-by-step instructions about how to start a profitable business using SMS marketing. The aim is to help small restaurants and other types of businesses to get more customers and bounce back during these hard times and lockdown. Now the unique thing about the Pizza Money system is that it's going to allow you to build out your own SMS marketing system that you can use to manage your own restaurant clients' SMS list, and you'll be able to set each customer up in less than 25 minutes from your phone. You won't have to pay for hosting or expensive developers to code you anything. The system is just that simple. From my own experience running e-commerce stores, I was paying a recurring monthly fee for an app to handle my SMS marketing, which was the same price as the Pizza Money system. So it's ridiculous just how much value you get from the system and for the price. So if we just come over to the sales page, you'll be able to read a little bit more about the product. So it says, I want to show you how to build your own SMS marketing software in under 25 minutes, and how I use that software to make $200 a month per client, providing an extremely effective marketing service for restaurant owners. So the main thing about this is that they're teaching you how to create an SMS marketing software which is yours. You don't need to pay for any coding or for any app developers. It's just that simple, and you'll be able to do it in under 25 minutes, even for people that are not that tech savvy. Now with this system that I just explained to you, you'll be able to get clients who will pay a minimum of $200 a month for you to run and set up the system for them. So if you scroll down a little bit more, there's going to be a video by Ben himself. He's going to explain to you more about this whole system and the purpose behind it, and how it's going to help not just yourself, but all of the different small businesses that have been affected by this COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown. You can come through here and actually read all of this, explain to you just about the idea behind the system, how this system actually helped a lot of restaurants that they've been working with to actually survive this pandemic and actually grow. So here's everything that will be inside of the system. So you have part 1, and this will be showing you the building of your own SMS list and broadcast service. So this is your SMS marketing system. In part 2, they'll show you how to pinpoint idle clients that actually want the service, and so that you don't have to waste your time going to clients that are not suitable for the business. In part 3, they'll show you how to attract those clients with your service offerings without ever stepping foot inside the business. As we're in this COVID-19 lockdown and many countries are in lockdown and social distancing and about your own safety and safety of others, they're going to show you how to do all of this without actually stepping foot into the actual business. So you can do this from the comfort and safety of your own home. Next, in part 4, they show you how they close $200 a month clients with their 6-step sales process. So you don't need to be sales savvy even, and they're going to teach you how to do all of the different sales and just follow their blueprint. In part 5, they'll show you how to maintain your client base for longevity and how to stack your clients so that you'll be able to make a monthly recurring income, $5,000 to even $10,000 every month. One of the best things about this is that you don't have to worry about coding. You don't need to pay any recurring fees. It's just a one-off payment. And on the sales page, you just click on any of these red buttons and it shows you that this whole system that you're going to be receiving is only going to be $27. That's the front end cost, which is only a one-time payment of $27. So speaking of pricing, let's just go through the pricing structure. This product does have upsells, but you'll see how the upsell system, there's only a few and they actually work for the product. Not like other products where they show you 10 or 15 even upsells and downsells. So let me just show you the structure. So you have the front end, the whole training, the system, the blueprint. This is the Pizza Money system, and that is only $27. Next, you have first upsell is $47, and that is for the Pizza Money agency. Then you have a downsell if you don't take that, and it'll offer you the Pizza Agency Lite, which is $27. And this is just so that you're able to scale more effectively and faster. The second upsell is double your fee package, and this is $97, and this enables you to double the amount of money that you're able to charge your clients, different methods. And if you don't decide to take that, then they have a downsell, which is $47, the double your fee package Lite. So it will be a lesser extent, but you'll still be able to charge more for the product, give them an enhanced service. Now, this program does have a money back guarantee, and it's not just your usual 30 days. They're actually giving a 60-day buy it back promise. So you can keep the product for 60 days, and if you're not happy with it, then they'll give you a refund. And another thing which is very interesting is that most products and courses out there would not give you a refund if you've gone through the whole course. But with this, which is quite strange, they actually only give you a refund if you've gone through 100% of the course. So they want you to go through the whole course because they're that confident that this course can give you results that they want you to go through the whole course before you ask for a refund. So that's a really interesting thing. It also includes some frequently asked questions. You can come to the sales page and come down here and read it for yourself. It just speaks about some FAQs that they get. For example, how much maintenance do I have to provide in order to keep my clients happy? So, because this product is for people that don't have coding experience. It says the beauty of the system is that it requires very little monthly maintenance, so you can enjoy hassle-free income. Once you've completed the simple setup process for your clients, there's not much monthly maintenance to do after that. Instead, you can focus on growing your business or enjoy the freedom of doing whatever you want. So basically, the maintenance is very minimal. This is for newbies, as they say it, anyone that's just trying to get into a business, anyone that's new to marketing, anyone that's new to any of these things, and it's quite a revolutionary system that I don't see any other competitors coming out with any other systems at the moment. So again, if you want to jump into the system and take advantage of all of the bonuses that I've provided, then click on the link in the description. You can come and check out this page and click on any of the buttons on here to buy the system, or you can come onto my review page on my website and click on any of the links on here, and it will bring you to the sales page and you can purchase the product. And once you've purchased the product, you will receive all of the bonuses that I mentioned before, and it will be automatically sent to you in your checkout. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.